Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, welcome back in. Another winter storm rolling in this midweek to bring us some further issues. Poor winter travel expected. Several inches of snow and Arctic air mass to drop those temperatures down quite a bit, and some blustery winds to keep the wind chills down for you as well. Winter holding its grip strong here as we go through this week. Temperatures in the upper 20s to low 30s across the board for us right now. 27 in Lex, 32 down in Somerset and London. But tonight, those low temperatures, they drop into the teens. Wind chills drop into the single digits, and we pick up a breeze through tomorrow. High temperatures stall out in the mid-20s for most. And because of the colder temperatures we're expecting, even as a weak little warm front tries to come in, this system pulls down those temperatures quite a bit as it rolls across. Arctic air moves in. We're going to have quite a bit of snow opportunity with that. Currently from Springfield down just to near the Louisville area, there is this band of snow. We will see the opportunity for some flurry activity or even some light snow from that as it works in overnight tonight. But the big stuff doesn't come in until we get into late tomorrow night and most of your Wednesday. Some snow coming through. You see that the banding of snow shows up for us here across Futurecast into early Tuesday morning. Again, some light snowfall possible there. Then as we roll into the afternoon, just cloud cover before this band of snow sets up for us sometime 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the evening. By 8 p.m., you see the heavy snow start to work in. It overtakes the rest of the state as we go into Wednesday morning. Then as we get into midday Wednesday, that snowfall starts to work to the east, and we're going to catch just a little bit of a break before the next wave comes in. Another impulse following the main band of snow sets us up for a 1-2 punch and a short break there for us as we head into Wednesday night, but quickly engulfed again by snow as we head into our Thursday morning. Finally wrapping up early Thursday, where some of our winter storm warnings and advisories extend to. So you can see in the pink shaded area, everybody there in a winter storm warning from Tuesday night through at least midday on Wednesday. We may see that get turned over to a winter weather advisory for the second wave. For the most part, though, the point is heavy snow is going to be possible and winter travel conditions are going to be likely as this comes through. Here's our first crack at snowfall totals. We are thinking somewhere along the lines of 3 to 6 inches across a nice swath through central Kentucky. That's going to be the one that has the highest snow totals. Of course, 2 to 4 on the outskirts of that line of 3 to 6 inches. Up to 2 inches as you go further towards Cincinnati. This could change, of course, as always, as the low comes in. Any shift in the path of that could shuffle that around a little bit as we head into tomorrow night. So expect some minor adjustments as we get a bit closer. On top of that, winds are going to be gusty for us as we roll throughout the day. Tuesday, with winds out of the north to northeast, gusting 15 to maybe 20 miles an hour. They pick up even more overnight into early Wednesday when the bulk of that snow comes through. So low visibility is going to be an issue. Slippery roadways, of course, also in there, blowing snow around. Could see some drifting. The fun part about this is that these snowfall totals are going to be a little on the lighter, fluffier type of snow, and the wind is just going to be able to blow that all over the place. So with the wind speeds continuing Wednesday night into Thursday, 15 to 20 miles an hour, that's going to add another blowing of snow to our forecast as we head into Thursday. And then, of course, to follow it and during it, we're going to see Arctic air roll in. So you're looking at high temperatures barely in the 20s, especially as we get into Wednesday and Thursday. That Arctic air doesn't stick around long, but it does move out slowly through Friday, and then we're going to start to look towards some warmer temperatures as we head back into the weekend. Still, the main event here is going to be that chance for the snow to come in and cause some more issues Wednesday and into Thursday. Then you look at the weekend, things start to warm up. 30s by Saturday, 40s again by Sunday. We roll into next week with a much quieter forecast.
Download the Fox 56 Weather Authority app today.